understand that this issue need to be settled once for all.
The Village Health Council of Umkadhor village organized a pre-Christmas celebration today by distributing warm blankets to orphans, elderly individuals and persons with disabilities. The event also featured an awareness program addressing the rising issue of child marriages, conducted jointly by the VHC and the village organization. The celebration was attended by Sostenus Sotun, MLA of Jirang, as the chief guest, along with R.V. Marwen, officer in charge of Patarkhma Police Station, among others.
Kam harubide bat ke kam senong helai lai keraru harubide bat kumno ban saindur banang tanba susu ngalo tene ke senong bat kiwe ki senong di badan hakane ka konsensi bat tene ke ka subject ka ba laban ong ka ba kit jingmut bat ka ba laban ay ka jingi kai ka ba ka ba ki hul samla ki jangi kinyo ekne ki jingkai ki hat ki bare paro ki duktip agde bugni phang.
The Hill Farmers Union Central Body